Hold on to your brain cells, ladies and gents, because we're going deep into the technological jungle today. It's a wild world out there, and we're hunting for the top AI tools. Buckle up, and no, we don't have snacks, so eat before you watch. In the corner of eye-popping, mind-blowing AI art generators, Midjourney is the Picasso of the lot. It mixes, matches, and cooks up a storm of creativity, leaving even Dolly wondering, why didn't I think of that? It's the AI you need when you want to channel your inner Van Gogh but can't find your paintbrush. Next up, we have Copy AI in the heavyweight division of AI copywriting. It's the Usain Bolt of content creation, sprinting through your articles faster than you can say, "Is this grammatically correct?" No more late-night writing marathons or caffeine overdoses, my friends. The keyboard is so last century. Meet the world's most diverse troupe in the AI avatar category, Synthesia. It's got more avatars than a high school yearbook, and they're all ready to star in your next Oscar-winning production. Who needs Hollywood when you have Synthesia? Introducing the grand maestro of text-to-speech, Speechify. It takes your text and turns it into honey-coated speech that's as smooth as a Shakespearean sonnet. Even your grocery lists will sound like epic poetry. In the glitzy world of marketing, Ad Creative is the AI version of Don Draper from Mad Men, whipping up snazzy ads before you can blink. It's like having your own personal creative army at your fingertips, ready to conquer the digital world. For the budding Spielbergs out there, InVideo is your AI sidekick, ready to edit your next masterpiece. With more templates than your grandma has knitting patterns, you'll be rolling in video glory in no time. Enter the realm of chatbots, where Chat GPT reigns supreme. This AI tool doesn't just chat. It dazzles, it enlightens, it mostly just chats, actually. But trust me, it's very good at it. Makes your Siri look like she's still learning her ABCs. Strumming into the AI music scene, VoiceMod is the star. Gamers, content creators, and VTubers. It's the virtual voice maestro you've been waiting for. You'll sound better than auto-tuned T-Pain on a good day. And in the fancy world of AI image editing, give it up for CUTOUT Pro. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your images. One click, and you're slicing, dicing, and spicing up your designs. And there you have it, folks. The A-listers of the AI world. But remember, in this ever-changing digital landscape, even AI tools get updates, so keep your eyes peeled and your Wi-Fi on, because the future is always now in the world of tech. See you in the next video, if you survive the AI apocalypse. Just kidding. Or am I? Don't forget to leave your thoughts, ideas, AI conspiracy theories, or any burning questions in the comments section. Who knows, you may inspire our next wild ride into the digital jungle. Stay techie, my friends, and remember, may your Wi-Fi be strong, your battery fully charged, and your AI always a little bit quirky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.